Now play here. Today we are teaching you part 4 of Scratch tutorial. So I deleted the rock. I actually deleted the rock. So we're going to learn how to make an enemy barrel. So for this thing, going to fix one slight error. Go to motion, go to sprite 1, then at the costumes, it's supposed to be a little away from the center point. It's supposed to be a little to the right side. Now let's test it out. You can see it like this. Pew pew, it's coming from the gun now. It's not coming from the other area now. Like, you may understand later. But we're going to make another kind of message. So we're going to broadcast a new message called bullets fly, and then we are going to go to variables and create a new variable called jump y. First of all, I'll just paint a new variable, and then let's make it just like the way we want. Let's make it like this. Let's just make like a shooting thing. Wait, hold on. My mouse is so laggy. And then, just like that, we have made our photo. Let's change the outline to 11 and a little like this. Oh my god. Select this, then change its outline 11. Make this a little brighter. 89. Fill it completely red. Change the size a little smaller to 30. So, going to drag this right here, and then when I receive bullets fly, then we're going to need to wait. First of all, we're going to go to events. When flag clicked, then it's always just gonna hide. Gonna say hide. Then when I receive bullets fly, we're going to make it so, and then we're going to make it move. Let's make it move the variable steps. Wait, where did my variable? Okay, completely forgot it's right here. Delete the jump y. What do you mean 6? Delete the jump y. Huh? Oh wait, no, don't delete the jump y. And then I'm going to need to make a new variable for this part only called fly y. So it's going to fly. And then we're going to just put the fly y over here. Let's just turn it off so people don't see it. Move fly y steps. So it now disappears. Now we can shoot it. As you can see, it gets shot, but it only goes 10 meters once. Now let's see. Yep. First of all, we're going to need to make it when I receive bullet fly. Go to sprite 1, and then it's going to go to control. Forever move y steps. Then that should be it. First of all, we're just going to put a if or sensing if touching edge, then we're going to make it disappear. So let's put a hide over here. First of all, let's just put the one flag click right here. Now let's test it out. First of all, you can see it's like this, but it isn't going like steps, so that's a common error. All we have to do is just make a little over there, and then we're going to make it, going to set, first of all, a variable set fly void. Its number hasn't been set, so let's change this to like what, 3. Now let's test it out. As you can see, it's going, but the problem is it teleports back when we shoot. Let's just fix that. So now I see bullet fly, go over here, then create clone of myself, and then let's say when I start as a clown, let's do this. Now it's going to go like this, and we can shoot this multiple times, as you literally just saw with your own eyes. The problem is we run out of bullets for some reason. So let's put this here and see what happens. Okay, it just lags like crazy. Let's just put the Ghost Boy one over here. Let's just put it right here. But over here, we're going to put a white one, so it's like a limit. As you can see, we are not spamming, and these things are going perfectly. As you are literally just seeing with your own eyes. But they, for some reason, they aren't disappearing after touching the edge. Let's put this first right here. Then let's check it out. Still does not disappear for some reason. But we made it go like that. Yeah, as you are literally seeing with your own eyes. So we need to make a barrel. Let's paint something like this. Let's just change its fill to like what? Like this, whatever we want. Now let's paint, let's make lines of some sort of like symbol. Let's make a little purpose. Now let's make it like an enemy symbol. What sign should our enemy sign be? Like this? Like this? Wait, no, this is pink. I would now like pink. Not like pink, but like purple. And the stereo, let's make a little darker. Make your sign a little bit like this. This sign seems a little good. Yeah, this sign's good. So let's change its size to what, 60. Let's place this over here. Then we're going to say one flag clicked. And let's say if sensing, if touching the sprite 2, which we will name bullet, then if touching bullet, then it's gonna hide. And now let's test it out. We had to put it forever again. That's a very common error. Be careful of that error. So it's now going and it disappears. Now it just disappears forever. It's not gonna appear again. So let's fix that. Let's make it. Wait any second you want, like 5 seconds. It's gonna show again. So that is okay. First of all, we just show it. Now we have made it so it can respawn. Now it will respawn as you just saw with your own eyes. It respawn, which is perfect. What is this? So we even need to make it like explode. We need the barrel to explode. So let's paint a new costume like an exploded thing. Let's set its brightness to 89. Set brightness to 89 and the color to 11. Now let's make like an explosion effect. Like this. Kind of looks like a star, but if we add more like thingies to it. Now let's select this, then set this thing's fill to just completely red, and let's make a little darker. So now we're just going to keep it like this for now, and then we're going to go to looks and then switch costume to costume 2. First of all, let's put this below over here. Put this behind the hide, so it just is being a sum. It is being sum. Let's go to control point 2 or like 0.05 seconds. It's going to hide. Okay, first of all, let's just show it. Actually, you know what? One flag clicked. So, we're always just gonna show. Now, it explodes. As you literally just saw with your own eye, it just exploded. Let's make it a little more visible. 1.2 seconds. Now let's have a look. My god, dude. Like this. And then it spawned. Then we can do this. So it explodes and then it disappears. Woo! So that's not it. So we're going to say wait 5 seconds, switch costume to costume 1. First of all, just always keep its costume like this. Then it should explode, and then after it respawns, it should go. Yep. So that is it for our tutorial. If this helped you in your Scratch game, then like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.